Hello friends, I'm glad to see you all on the Home Tips channel. Have you ever noticed how your feet are absolutely buzzing by the end of the day? Standing on your feet all day, wearing tight shoes, heels and synthetic socks, all of this affects our feet. They get tired, sweat, develop an unpleasant odor, and the skin becomes rough and sometimes even cracked, especially on the heels. Today I will show you a simple homemade way to get your feet in shape. We will make a foot bath with hydrogen peroxide. It's cheap, quick and really works. We will need regular 3% hydrogen peroxide, which can be purchased at any pharmacy. Avoid using any other concentration, as it can cause irritation or burns to the skin. Another important point: don't increase the concentration of hydrogen peroxide in the solution, because in this case, more is not better. Before the procedure, be sure to wash your feet with warm water and soap. This will improve the effect of the foot bath. Now let's move on to the bath recipe. Take a basin and fill it with 3 liters of water. The water should be warm, about 35 degrees Celsius. Add 3 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide. Mix the solution lightly and immediately soak your feet in it. Do the foot bath 1 to 2 times a week, but no more than 5 to 7 times. Then take a break. When you place your feet in the water, bubbles will begin to appear. This is normal. Hydrogen peroxide breaks down upon contact with the skin, releasing active oxygen. This helps kill bacteria and fungi. Bacteria cause unpleasant odor, so after a hydrogen peroxide soak, you will forget about foot odor. If you have cracked heels, hydrogen peroxide will reduce the risk of infection and inflammation. This bath also slightly dry out the skin and help those who suffer from excessive sweating of the feet. After a foot bath, your feet feel soft, so now is the perfect time to remove all the rough skin. I make a simple baking soda scrub. I pour 1 tablespoon of baking soda into a container. I add 1 teaspoon of shower gel. You can use liquid soap. And a little water. Take a small amount of the scrub and begin to gently massage your heels and rough areas using circular motions. Remember that hydrogen peroxide soaks should not be used if you have deep cracks or open wounds on your feet, or if you have very dry or sensitive skin. They also won't help with advanced fungal infections. Hydrogen peroxide can only slow its progression, but for specific treatments, you should consult a doctor. People with diabetes should only use hydrogen peroxide soaks after consulting a doctor. After the baking soda scrub, wash your feet with clean water and dry thoroughly. And the final step is to apply a nourishing or moisturizing cream. This will help the skin recover, make your heels soft, and ensure the effect lasts for a long time. Look how neglected my heels were before the procedure. And here is how they look now. All the hardened skin was easily removed, and with this regular care, your heels will quickly return to normal and there won't be any cracks. This simple home care routine will help keep your feet fresh, soft and well groomed even after a long day. After a hydrogen peroxide soak, your feet will feel refreshed and light. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments what foot care methods you use. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.